Good morning, children. Today in maths we'll do numbers in between. What is in between? In between means middle. Okay. Now most of you know numbers till 100. Some of you know numbers till 50. 1 to 50, 1 to 100. I'm just showing you example from 1 to 10. Now when I say what comes numbers between 1 and 3, that is 2. What number comes between 3 and 5? It's 4. What number comes between 5 and 7? 6. What number comes between 7 and 9? 8. What number comes between 8 and 10? It's 9, and so on. Now, you will write your date 10.6.20 CW between BETWEEN between. Leave a square. Next square you will write 1. Next square dash. Next square 3. So what comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes number between 4 and 6? 5. What number comes between 7 and 9? 8. What number comes between 10 and 12? 11. What number comes between 13 and 15? 14. What number comes between 16 and 18? 17. What number comes between 19 and 21? 20. What number comes between 22 and 24? 23. What number comes between 25 and 27? 26. What number comes between 28 and 30? 29. Children, if you have difficulty, you can do this way also. See, 1, 2, 4, 6, this way, okay? Be very careful, but this is how you have to do. 1 and 3, that is 2. In between 1 and 3 is 2. So for your convenience, if you have problem, you can do this way also. Once you know your between, you will have no problem. Okay, be very slow and write neatly. Now children, some of you are getting confused. Now the writing parts, whatever we are giving in the videos, you have to do yourself. Mummy, Papa will not write. You have to write by yourself. Okay, all the writing parts you have to write now by yourself in the copies, whatever copies we are doing the work, you have to do. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.